focusing on independent and dependent variable, or quantity as your book says it, but also writing it as an expression. So annotate, T-Mobile cell phone charges $3, $2 initial fee. Let me change the color. $2 initial fee. That's like a setup fee. Remember, initial fee is like the setup fee. Like in the t-shirt, there's a setup fee. And in math means plus. And 25 cents per minute. Per means times. We use parentheses for times. Write an expression. So it's directing you to write an expression for the total cost. Oh, this meant to be cost. Okay. Of using T-Mobile cell phone. So this then, the expression is $2 for the setup fee plus 25 cents per minute. Per means times. Times what? The number of minutes. So M stands for the number of minutes instead of writing out the word minutes. All right. So knowing that, we got 2 plus 25 cents times, we did this in class, I believe, $4.91. When you do that, you get $122.75. You add that to 2, you get $124.75. So an ordered pair, that's your first ordered pair. That is 2. You input, not 2, sorry. You input 491 minutes. 491 minutes. It's going to cost you, out comes $124 out of your pocket. Okay, that's your first ordered pair. Second one, you input $863. So you get 2 plus $2.25 for each minute times the number of minutes you have, 863. Okay, that should give you, let me see, clear, 0.25 times 863 equals $215.75. $215.75 plus the $2 setup fee. That gives you a cost of $217.75. So your ordered pair then for 800, you input 863 minutes. It's going to cost you $217.75. That's your ordered pair, your input and your output. Okay, now the other two is you make up your own numbers. So I don't know how many minutes you want. You can put 20 and 50 or whatever number you need to find out the outcome or the independent or dependent variable, dependent answers here, and then write the ordered pair in right there. Now, I'm going to start with dependent variable. Dependent variable, they want another word, the same as dependent variable, is outcome or output. Another word is output. Okay, or the answer if you want one, whichever one you want to put, the answer. So the answer here is your total cost. Your total cost. Okay. Your answer is your total cost. How much you cost, total cost for the minutes you use. So that's the dependent variable, the total cost. You don't put the answers down, you just put the words. The independent variable is another word for independent variable. Another word for independent variable is input, or X, or what you put in. That's the input, that's the input, that's the independent. In this case, you put in the number of minutes used. you put in the number of minutes used, so that's the independent variable. That's the number of minutes used. Okay, you put in the number of minutes used, you get your output or your total cost. That is called the dependent variable. Okay, here at the bottom is a city fair cost $15.50 to enter. Okay, to get in it's $15 to enter plus $1.50 for each ride. Each means times. So write an expression, so they want you to write an expression for the total cost of going to the fair. Okay, so we know then it's $15.50 to enter plus $1.50 for each ride times the number of rides you go on. Okay, R. So in this case, it's $15.50 plus $1.50 for each ride, and you went on 12 rides. So you multiply 1.50 times 12, you get $18 for the rides. But you have to add the amount you had to pay to get into the park, which is $15.50, and you should get $33.50. Okay. So your ordered pair down here, want the ordered pair down here, is 12. You went on 12 rides, and it total cost is $33.50 for that day to going to the fair. Okay? And then, okay, do again for 9 rides. If someone went on 9 rides, how much did they end up paying? Let's see, $15.50 to get into the park, plus the 9 ride, and each ride is $1.50 times the 9 ride they went on. So 1.5 times 9 is $13.50 to get on to all the rides, but you had to pay $15.50 to get in, so that gets you $29 total to go spend at the fair that day. So for 9 rides to go in the fair that day, and you went on 9 rides, it cost you $29, the output of $29. Okay, now you put the number of rides people go on and find out their total cost right here on the number of ride. Now finding out the total cost is the dependent variable. So finding total cost is the dependent variable. Okay, now another word for dependent, output, same as the other one. Oops, sorry. Output. Now the independent variable is the number of rides you went on. Number of rides. That is, the number of rides will determine how much the total cost will be. So the total cost is dependent on the number of rides. That's why it's called dependent variable or dependent quantity in your book. Another word for independent variable is input. Okay, and that is your homework. That should have been easy.